In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide size in Google Slides. Changing your slide size is a quick way to make your presentation look its best on different screens or on paper. Maybe you're presenting on a widescreen monitor, sharing on a standard projector, or preparing a printable handout. Whatever the case, the process is simple, and I'll guide you through it clearly. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can access all the menus. If you're working from a shared file, check that you have permission to edit. Otherwise, you won't be able to apply changes. Once your presentation is open, look toward the top left corner for the menu bar. Next, click the File menu, then choose Page Setup. This opens a small window that controls your slide dimensions. If your browser window is narrow, the option may be farther down the file list, so scroll if you don't see it immediately. When the Page Setup window appears, you'll notice a drop-down that lets you pick from a few common options or set your own size. Now choose a preset or go custom. Widescreen is the most common choice today, usually at a 16:9 ratio, which fills most modern laptop and TV screens without black bars. Standard, typically 4:3, is useful for older projectors or certain print layouts. If you need something specific, select custom. Here you can enter exact measurements and choose units like inches, centimeters, points, or pixels. For printing on typical paper, many people use 8.5 by 11 inches, or the reverse for a tall, portrait-style slide. For on-screen designs, matching the aspect ratio of your display helps avoid cropping or borders. Keep in mind that when you switch sizes, elements on your slides might shift slightly, so plan to review a few key slides afterward. When you're happy with your selection, click Apply. The change affects the entire presentation instantly. Themes and backgrounds will adapt to the new size, though you may want to fine-tune text boxes, images, or charts to make everything look polished. If the result isn't what you expected, you can simply go back to File, open Page Setup again, and pick a different preset or adjust your custom dimensions. That's all there is to it. By opening your presentation, navigating to File and Page Setup, choosing the right preset or defining a custom size, and clicking Apply, you'll have a presentation tailored to your screen or print needs. Take a moment to preview a few slides, and you're ready to present or share with confidence.